Here's my humidifier by Everlasting Comfort. I'm so excited about this one. I just got it. We are super used to humidity, and as soon as the humidity goes away, your skin really starts to act up. I know my house in the winter, my legs can be so terribly itchy from dryness, and this humidifier really helps me. After a week of using this, I can tell that my legs are in far better shape, and it's not as itchy and dry as it used to be. Let me show you how much mist comes out of this humidifier on its high setting, and boy, is that a lot of mist. This is on its high setting. You can totally tell that it's coming out so much. And then I'm going to show you as well a little bit on its lower setting. So this is what it looks like when it has a little less mist coming out of it. It's not at its full maximum. This is really great, especially as far as making the bedroom comfortable for sleeping at night. It's super quiet, also very modern looking, and you can turn off the light if that bothers you. I think all in all, this is a really great humidifier, a wonderful one from Everlasting Comfort. I really like this one. I did a lot of research beforehand, and it's just been really easy to use all in all. Thanks.